In this video, let's learn how to divide the number 103 by 5 using the long division method. To do this, at first we will write down the numbers in this way. See that 1 is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 10. We know that 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 3 here. Look that this is the number 3. So we will remove this 0. Now look that this 3 is less than 5, but as we have brought down this number 3 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 5 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 3. But in this case, as we have no number to bring down here, so we need to borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 103 divided by 5 is equal to 20.6. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.